Hi everyone, I'll show you this Minolta SRT 201 that I have. So this is the front, the sides, the other sides, the bottom, and the top. Alright, I'll show you the viewfinder. You can see that the light meter works, responds to lights. Alright, I'm going to show you the shutter speeds. So let's start at 1000. 500. 250, 125, 60, 30, 13, 4, half. 1 second. Bomb mode. Alright, there you go. All shutter speeds work. If you would like to buy this, please let me know. I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much everyone for dropping by, and see you guys next time.